Hello everyone. If we go to the website, we will have a update. So I just click on it and here we have Elementor Pro version update. So let's go to the plugins and click on install plugins, and here we have version 3.25.4 as current version, and we got new version as 3.26.2. So here we have a message called please backup before upgrade, which means if we are going to upgrade this plugin, we have to take a backup of this website, because this plugin updates can break the website. So when it happens, if we have a backup, we can restore the backup. So before we update this plugin, let's get a backup. I am on the cPanel. On Namecheap cPanel, I installed this WordPress as WordPress using Softaculous. So if you use different web hosting, just search on Google about their backup system and get the backup. In this case, I click on WordPress managed by Softaculous, and here we have our website. I just click on this down arrow icon, and here is the details of our website, and here we have a green button called backup. Just click on it, and here it says this backup is only for 28 days, but it's okay. And from here we can add the note. So I will add note like Elementor Pro plugin update, and I will set backup location as default, and here I click on backup installation button, and now we are backing up our WordPress website. Okay, now we got the backup, and I click on return to WordPress management, and here if something happen when we upgrade the Elementor plugin, we can just click on this restore backup or restore button. Then here we have all the backups, and if I click on this note or if I hover over this note, we can check the backup note that we added. So here is the backup that we just created, and if we click this restore button, this backup will start restore, or we can download this backup to our local computer. Okay, now it's time to upgrade the plugin. So just go to plugin page, and here I click on update now, and it's successfully updated. So I will refresh the page, and now our version is 3.26.2, and if we go to the website is working fine. So we successfully update the plugin.